Hi traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is March the 29th and I'm using my new PIPS trading system. It's the one that uses Heikin-Ashi on the top and my magic indicator down here, the goal line. That's the magic indicator. Trigger zones, or TZ for short. It really helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. Great for traders who love to scalp the markets on the 5-minute time frame. You can easily trade all 3 trading sessions 24 hours a day. Now this up and down cycles here, I call that the flow of the market, which is what you must learn how to do. Now this TZ indicator, or the whole system, I've even nicknamed it the Holy Grail trading system. That, along with the daily trade plan, I truly believe you'll be up and running, finding a lot of successful trades every day. Let's take a look at that daily trade plan. Here it is here, daily trade plan for March the 29th, 22. I've taken all these trades right from the daily trade plan. Took the trade around 8:16, 8:15 in the morning, and I closed them all out about less than 15 minutes later. Now, to truly find success, as my mentor told me many years ago, you must have some kind of a trading plan. Plan your trade and then trade your plan. If you are not doing this, well, that's one of the main reasons why you're failing at trading. So, if you don't know how to put one of these together, well, you can get your hands on this one. Keep in mind, I do charge $100 a month for it. Like any one of these trades, even on one mini lot, you would have paid for the whole month. And I would say at least 80% of these are accurate. Now, it doesn't mean you're going to get 100 pips, but even if you get 20 pips from it, remember, 10 or 20 pips a day can produce $1 million a year, as long as you know how to trade it and then keep building up your account. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions about this daily trade plan, well, all you got to do is get in touch with me. Now, as you can see down here at the bottom, I closed the trade at almost right to the second, 8:23. There's only one way you can do that, is if you have the close all script. Remember, you got to have this auto trading turn on, green in other words. Then you just go to your close all script. Here it is right here. Click on it. Window will pop up, and then all you got to do is press the OK button here, and then everything will shut down in your trade terminal. All market orders, pending orders, everything in there will close down. All winners, all losers. Now, if you want to get this close all script for free, all you got to do is send me an email with your name and your email address, and just request a close all script, and I'll give it to you for free, and I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. Okay, now we can move on. Now, because they were only about 10 minutes long, I dropped everything down to the 5 minutes so that I can do a reading on it more clearly. I usually take the trade on the 15 minutes. Let's see, this is where I bought it. Now, when I closed them all out immediately, this was a loser, but I was just looking at the total down here. And when I knew that I was 200 or more pips to the good, I just used my close all script and shut everything down. If I would have just waited a little bit, like up to this point right here, I would have had a winner. Took the trade here. When I closed out the trade, that was a negative 6 pips, and minus 6 pips paid minus now $642. As my mentor told me many years ago, keep your losers small and your winners bigger. And all the rest were futures, so you know, the Forex pairs, even the pound pairs, they still do not produce the same as futures. Dow Jones, keep in mind that this pays $5 a pip. Now we're going to get it into the winners. Double arrow, this was a preferred one. Buying, must wait for a pullback. Let's see where I got in at. There was a pullback. I only saw, it was a pullback here, then that was the next pullback. That's where I decided to take the trade. This is where I saw it, as I had a few distractions and I couldn't quite start trading, you know, between 6 and 7. Today was between 8 and 8:30 actually. Got in here, closed it out, just being happy. Times 5, 15, 19. Now, just looking at this, it has to be close to 40. So 38 is close enough. So 38 pips, ticks, whatever you want to call it, paid out $1,950. Moving on to the Russell. Russell pays $10 a pip. It was a preferred one again. I put in 2 arrows here manually. I do it. And they don't automatically pop up. But once you have a daily trade plan, put an arrow whether you want to be buying or selling, because I can't remember all 21 instruments. Let's see, Russell. Let's see where I got in at. There was the pullback. Now this would have been good, this would have been good, and this is good also. And you'll find that most of these trades, if I hung around for another half an hour, like in this situation right here, I would have made a lot more. But how much do you really need on a daily basis? I don't know about you, but 200 or more pips a day, I'm happy with that. And it looks like I was happy in this situation with, I'm going to get a calculate. What that has to be, right? $10 a pip. It's got to be 28. There it is right there, 28.1. Forget the 1. So 28 pips, ticks, paid out $2,800. Okay, let's move on to silver. Silver pays $50 a pip, a lot per pip, but it does not move a lot. So let's see where I got in this trade on the silver. Remember, it was a preferred trade as we had 5 downs in a row. Remember, very small move. Look at that. This should be 6 pips. And if I would have stayed in a trade, well, I'll tell you what I could have made. This should be 6 because 6 times 50. There it is right there, 6. And if I would have closed it out anywhere at the bottom, let's round it out to 40. So that would have been 4 times 5, 20. That'd be $20,000. Anyhow, as I said, I was happy with 6. And those 6 pips to the good paid out $3,000. Remember, it's $50 a pip. Even if you would have done just 1 mini lot, according to my plan, if you would have got over, let's say you got 40, 4 times 5 is 20, that would have paid out $200 on 1 mini lot. And taking a look at the silver here, there's 5 down in a row. And that is why now you see watch for bears trade preferred. Doesn't guarantee it will drop, but on this particular day, well, guess what? It did drop a lot. Moving right along to the S&P 500, which pays $5 a pip. Let's see where I got in first of all. Well, they were all just a little after 8. Slight pullback, pulled the trigger, knowing that it was going to go. There's my arrow. Bring it up a bit. So let's see. took the trade here, and I closed it out here, just being happy with I'm going to need a calculator, but it's 77. So the calculator said approximately 77. There it is there. Well, as soon as it's done jumping around, there it is, 77. And 77 times 5 times 10 lots, that's why you see $3,875. Moving on to the NASDAQ. This one pays $20 a pip. Let's see where I got in at. Now remember, this one here, along with the Russell and the DAX, in one trade you can double your account. If you want to know how that is possible, well, just get in touch with me. I can explain it in much more detail. Okay, I got in at this cursor right here. Close it out. Let's see, 20. Well, that has to be a little under 25, obviously. So 24 and change. So 24 and change. So that's 24. That would end up paying right here $4,780. Moving on to the DAX 30. This one pays $3.75 a tick. Drag and drop this up. Should have got in way back here, but you know, I can only trade it when I see it, as I daily have distractions. I'm going to need a calculator for this one for sure, but I'll make a note of it. 256. And now I'm going to get the calculator. So I just took the number 97.50 divided by $3.75. That actually worked out to 260. Look at that, 260 in a very small move. Let's see, looks small. 256. This is going to be very hard to get it on. But anyhow, the calculator does say 260, and that paid out $9,750. And believe me, if you get in the candle right here, when this one turns blue, the next one right about here, when you get to about, let's see, well, right about here, less than that actually. When you get to this point right here, you're going to double your account if you trade maximum lots for the amount of money that's in your account. This happens every day. Every day. Could have done it in London, could do it in New York twice. So that means you could double your account twice. And I'm sure if you double your account, whether it's 500, 5,000, 50,000, or $500,000, you can double your account in one trade. So another great day of trading. I just added up all the ticks and pips, and that worked out to be 437 pips, and that ended up paying $25,512. Excellent return for less than 10 minutes work. And this is only possible with a good trading system, and I do have plenty of great trading systems. And don't forget the daily trade plan. That makes it a much, much higher success rate. For me, it's 95%. So now let's see. If you want to get some more information, if you're not producing on a daily basis, like my PIPS Snagger, all you got to do is look right below this video, and you'll see this write-up, PIPS Snagger system. I do charge $250 for it. I teach how to trade the flow of the market. Remember, with the help of this magic indicator, this gold line, it's going to make your trading much easier. My Snagger system has 5 gigabytes of training, and you'll get an exact copy of my system on your MT4 platform. Now I threw in a lot of PDF books, a lot of Word documents, and 9 bonus videos. This is all just bonus stuff. That'll give you a lot more training and education to help you succeed at trading. Remember, I also include 5 MT4 templates, 10 custom indicators, and my favorite meter. Now there's a lot of ways to trade. I do teach a lot of different ways. That's why there's 50 training videos. Each video is about 20 minutes long. Now, you Please read everything here. If you have any questions whatsoever, all you got to do is pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. Now, if you live too far, simple again, just send me an email. Remember, there's an underscore right here. I do prefer Skype, so that once you click on this link, we'll have a Skype connection, and through Skype screen sharing, I'll give you a free session, answer your questions, give you some tips and tricks. I do all of that with no obligation to you. Now, of course, if you click on this link right here, you'll see 35 screenshots of all the systems I've been building over the years. Time to wrap up this video, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, until the next video and trading day, hopefully that'll be tomorrow, unless I decide to take another day off, as I did yesterday, but I'm having fantastic many days every week. No losing days. I do have losing trades, but not losing days. And how many systems can produce like that? So if you have any questions, well, you just have to get in contact with me. And remember that if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And a final note is, as I said, good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.